Sparsholt Futures, which is a huge event for nearly 1,000 Year 9s. So it's essentially 4 different science fairs all rolled into one. So they're going to learn about agri-tech, they're going to learn about technology, they're going to learn about everything to do with the land, the environment, sustainability, what sort of careers are in that area, and hopefully they're going to come away today feeling so inspired that they can go off and do these things as soon as they're out of school. They can study these subjects in college and university and go into the industries of science, technology, engineering and maths. We've got loads of stuff going on. So down at the equine unit, we've got all sorts of things to do with our horses. We've got our Racewood eventing simulator on, which is an amazing bit of kit which helps research in the equine centre. We've also got students going around our animal management unit learning about conservation. They're looking at our exotic species. Also in our sports facilities, we've got fitness testing, we've got heart rate testing. We've also got some emergency services staff here as well. So they're doing practice 999 calls and just seeing if that's something that they might want to get into in the future.
Today's been a really interesting day for our pupils. I've been talking to a number of our pupils and it's really opened up their horizons and their ideas of what STEM careers were. I think when they're in schools they're very subject orientated, so to be able to see how what they're learning in their lessons then equates to careers and then the further training that's going on from that, it's an incredibly useful day for the pupils. So Sparsholt gives pupils that opportunity to see what there is beyond A-levels, the vocational opportunities and the careers that then lead on to it. Today's been a really useful day for pupils being aware of that. And obviously this is a really truly fantastic campus, very open, lots and lots of opportunities, and the pupils have been absolutely blown away by how brilliant a campus this is.